deal, YouTube? We back with another banger, and today we're gonna be testing out a new product. I've been having real troubles finding something that really works for my hair. I've tried Cantu, it dried out my hair. I refurbished my hair and got everything back in motion. So today we're basically gonna be doing a 30-minute bounce back, man. So I'm gonna do a comb back, showing y'all the woof. We about what, 7 weeks in right now. We shooting for 9 to 10. So we're about 7 weeks in, so this gonna be my 7-week comb back right here, you know, and a bounce back at the same time. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to basically bounce back and get your hair healthier. So in this, you're gonna also need just your comb, you know, get that little, you know, get the little hairs out of there or whatever. Comb, curved brush, or a regular brush. It depends on whatever you like to use. It really doesn't matter, you know. Trying to find my mirror, you're gonna need you a mirror, you know, nice little mirror, comb, mirror, brush, and I'm gonna show y'all what else I'm using to bounce my hair back. This right here is basically me trying to find something that basically works for me. You know, I use the PB stuff, but I want to use something like a leave-in conditioner that also works for my hair to get it more silkier and for that more silkier look. So I have a more thicker hair texture. I want to find something that's going to work for more thicker hair. So if y'all know anything, leave it down in the comments that y'all think that'll help me as far as leave-in conditioners or something that's just more thicker, that is not too much greasy for the summer, that'll work for my head. So really it's just been a mission on trying to find something that actually works and that's going to, you know, apply that same pressure as like a pomade and get my hair more silkier. So today we're going to be trying this out. This was recommended by my sister. You know, she told me I should get this, you know, test it out in my head. So we're gonna test it out together, and I'm gonna see what it does, what's the results, and how it make my hair look. So we're gonna be doing it all together with y'all. This is gonna be the 30-minute bounce back session because my hair is dry. I just washed and styled. My hair got no product in it, and it's just basically dried out from the Cantu. Do not ever use Cantu products again. It might work for other people, but it don't work for me. If you have real thick, coarse hair, do not use Cantu, man. It's gonna dry your hair. I don't care if it's the pomade. I don't care what it is. Don't use no Cantu at all. We done with that, man. We done. So this is the product I'm gonna be using right here. It's an olive oil. It's like an olive oil, you know, moisturizing lotion, maximum strength, all that healthy, you know, stuff it got on there, anti-breaking, you know. So we basically gonna stop my hair from, you know, doing all of that, man, because it is broken up. I got flakes and all type of shit in my hair from, you know, just using the Cantu products, man. It just messed my whole entire head up. So we're gonna be using this to revive it, man. I heard this is a good product, so, and my sister put me on. I also did my research before I went to go buy it so I can get a second opinion. So we basically gonna just try this out. This is what it looks like. This is what I'm gonna be using, man, and hopefully it works, for us I wasted some money on it, and I'm just gonna give it away. Alright, so now what we basically gonna do is we're gonna unrag. I'm gonna show y'all my progress, and we're gonna give a little comb back, and we're gonna just go with the flow. Now I'm warning y'all, this is hideous. Just a mini little woof, man. It don't hurt to do on mini little woof. We don't have to always do big woofs, but big woofs are good. But it don't hurt to do a couple mini woofs, man. That's how y'all see I'm doing a little mini woof, man. It's not bad. My shit look actually good. Alright, next you want to grab your comb, and y'all know what's next, man. So you grab your comb. Right now we're going to comb forward. And then we're gonna comb backwards, man. Show y'all this woof. Alright y'all, so now that you fully comb out, we're going to do a comb back, because this is a comb back video basically showing y'all the update on the wolf. He's 7 weeks in. Yeah, I know 7 weeks look kind of short because it's just 7 weeks. Yeah, so that's 7 weeks right there, man. Fully combed back 7 weeks, man. Looking real nice. Now, it's time to comb it right back down. And we're going to just lay it down and basically bounce our hair right back to lay down. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. As you're noticing when you combing, you notice you feel like knots and stuff breaking. Because that's all that is you just breaking the force. That's why it's also good to comb, because you're breaking knots that's creating the force. You're breaking stuff that's making your hair knot up in that actual area to be a fork. Alright, so now that the hair is fully combed back out, you know you want to fully comb it back out, even your crown, all of that, boom, boom, boom. Now, you get your hard brush, and we're going to brush it down as much as we can, then we're going to apply some of this stuff right here to get it to finish laying down and all that, and all of that. Don't forget to get your plastic bag. We need a plastic bag for the end of this, so pause right here, go get your plastic bag. The brush gonna do most of the work. If your hair is trained, it should be able to lay back down off the brush, at least semi lay back down, to show some type of definition of waves. Well, I don't know if definition was the right term for it, but to show more defined, more like a look instead of a fro. Hey man, we got big things coming up. If you stay in Cali, I will be at the BET experience. Okay? So if you want to meet me in person and you stay in California, I will be at the BET experience. Okay? I will be at the BET experience Saturday, June, I don't know what yet, but y'all should know the dates of the BET experience. If you going, you should know the dates. I need to know the dates. I don't know why I'm telling y'all need to know them if you're going, but I'm the one that need to know them because I'm going too. But I got them on my email, so, and I got my tickets already, so I should be there. If you want to meet me in person, you stay in Cali. It's in downtown LA, downtown Los Angeles. For y'all don't know what LA is. You don't know what LA is. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know what's wrong with you. I really don't know. But yeah man, I'll be there in person. So after you fully brush your hair back down as much as you could, we are in higher woofer stages, so it's gonna be harder to lay it down, so you're gonna need harder brushes, man. which I do have some brushes coming soon, and I do have some more reviews for brushes coming soon. So y'all just stay tuned. They coming to a city near you. I got one brush I'm working on right here. I've been using it. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is until it's time to do that review video. So right now, it's still a mystery, and y'all gonna see the review. So this time, I'm not just unboxing them. We doing an actual review. So I'm giving the brush about a good week and a half of me using it before I actually do a review on it. You know, I want to actually experience the brush first and give y'all my real results. So until then, y'all only get to see the back, because if I show y'all the other side, y'all gonna be able to see what kind of brush it is, and I don't want to ruin the video yet. So I give y'all a little sneak peek. That's why it's good to stay tuned in the video and watch out through the whole video, because you might see something that's worth seeing. You might miss out on something if you're skipping through it. So it's good to watch the whole video, man. And I'm doing this all off the muscle. So now that your hair is fully like this, boom, what you want to do is go get your plastic bag like I told y'all. Alright, so now what you pretty much want to do is this plastic bag to get the hair to lay down a little bit more. Just go hammer in with it. Just go hammer in with it. Alright, now that you went hammer in with it, grab your product, put it in the hand, just like that. Nice little amount, nothing too much. Damn, I done dropped it all over the floor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna drop the other half on the floor. I'm gonna rub this around my hands, put it all in my head. So get that all around to where the hair is soft and it's not dry or stiff or anymore. You don't want to apply too much, but just get it in the areas where you missed, you know. Pretty much what we doing. Okay, now that it's fully applied in the head, what you want to do is get a brush session in. This stuff is kind of liquidy, so just make sure you got a good amount. Put it on your weak sides. All of that. You can actually drip it in better like that. That way it could be in. You know for sure. You know for sure it's in there. Now, simply just grab your brush. So finish getting the brush session in. Don't mind if it get on your forehead, it's okay. You can just wipe it off later. And then I'm gonna hit y'all back right now with this plastic bag. Alright, now that you fully got your brush session in, you got the stuff off your face, what you want to do is grab your plastic bag and just go in. And we basically laying it down at this point. Really just a 30-minute bounce back to lay my hair back down. Right now I'm basically just reviving my scalp because it was dried out. So I'm pretty much more so of just reviving my scalp. I'm going to throw some PB to go moisturizer and the butter in there as well. But this stuff has your hair wet, so the best thing for you to do is let this dry first. Let this Alright y'all, so unfortunately my camera died. So now we on the phone right now. If y'all noticed the quality difference, I'm sorry. I forgot to charge my camera. So basically you just want to finish that, you know, finish doing the plastic bag method, man. Just finish doing the plastic bag. That's pretty much it. Finish plastic bag and then you want to just throw on your durag. Boy, and y'all already know what's next, man. Y'all know what we gotta do. So throw that bad boy on the right way. Let me look it through this mirror right here. Put that bad boy on. Just like that. You know, you want to take it, apply it just like that. I'm telling you, I'll teach you how to do the durag every video. So if you don't know how to do your durag, y'all must not be not watching my videos, because I teach you how to do the durag every video. So if y'all want me, I'm not making no video dedicated to how to tie your durag. Just do it how I do it, like this, man. Pull it down in the back. These are 2 strings. You grab them with 2 fingers. Pull it down. Where'd that string go? See, everything be so silky, I'll be losing the string. There we go. Not too tight. You don't want your brain to pop. And it's just that simple, my G. So anyways, being your boy Rico the Waver, I'm out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. More bangers, just comment, man. I know that the video probably look nasty on this camera, on this phone, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. It's being your boy Rico the Waver. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Most stuff is starting to come. Gang, gang.